Now in this video, I'll be walking you through EverAd, which is an affiliate network which not only has very high profit Nutra offers all over the world, and I'll be going inside the network and walking you through all of the different offers, how this affiliate network works, how you get your links. Once again, this is a network that allows anybody, anywhere around the world to get into the network and will pay out folks no matter what age you are, no matter what country you're from. If I see another comment about does this work in my country, please, you're gonna be banned from my channel. Now through this video, I'll also be going over the pros and the cons of this network, and you can walk through me as I go through all of the qualitative factors that I use to judge this network. So stay tuned, buckle up, and let's have some fun and see how we can make money with the EverAd affiliate network. Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to be going through the EverAd affiliate network. If you want to follow along with me or apply to the network or see the criteria that I judge each of these networks off of, you can go to johncrestani.com/networks, pause the screen, write this down, open up another tab, do whatever you need to do so you can get access to this sheet where you can apply to the network. You can see it's down here, as well as many of my other videos where I've reviewed other affiliate networks, everything from Digistore and ClickBank to Super Affiliate to Amazon to ShareSale, etc. But we're going to be focused on EverAd right here, which is an affiliate, Nutra affiliate network. It does require approval, but there are no country restrictions in this affiliate network. Now, in order to log into this affiliate network, there will be a sign up form. I'm already signed in. Just go to the page and click sign up. It'll be somewhere around here when you get here. Now, what's really neat about this affiliate network is they have prizes. They'll give you free cars if you are a big enough affiliate and if you win contests. As you can see, this network is based in Russia. Look at that, that's Russian language stuff right there. And if you do well enough, you can get a BMW, an Audi, and a Range Rover for free, just as a bonus, in addition to whatever sales you already got. But let's dive right into the network, and also keep in mind that the terms we will be going through are down here, which are API, combo, and mail enhancement. Those are the three advanced affiliate marketing terms that I'll be explaining throughout the course of this video. Also, you can see some additional resources right here. If you are looking for how to get traffic to affiliate offers, then you'll want to go to this playlist and take action on every one of the methods. This also goes over free traffic methods that I go over in the videos. So both of these are regarding free traffic. Again, this video is not about traffic. This video is about finding products that you can sell in an affiliate network and how to use an affiliate network. So let's get into it. So here we are logged into EverAd. You'll see it has how much money I'm owed. This is their bonus prize pool if I want to win one of these cool cars. Okay, now it has my statistics over here. Note that they have your affiliate manager's information over here. You can contact your affiliate manager through VK, Telegram, Skype. One thing to note is that if you get into the network, don't expect your affiliate manager to tell you how to get traffic. If you don't know how to get traffic, then you likely won't ever be accepted to the affiliate network in the first place, because these affiliate networks are not there to train you how to do affiliate marketing. That's not what they're there to do. Really, their job, your affiliate manager's job, is to get you promoting and to keep following up with you to get you to get traffic, really. They're not there to train you, and that's one of the reasons why I started my own affiliate marketing course, was because there was a way to learn how to do affiliate marketing. It was just something you were assumed to know how to do. And when I released my affiliate marketing course in 2015, there wasn't really a comprehensive step-by-step way to do it. Now let's start looking at the offers here. So we see a bunch of offers here, but I'm sure you're thinking, John, what's the best affiliate offer? I just want the best, the best, the best. To find that, or to find what we think will be the best offers to promote, the top offers, we'll go over here and click on offers. Now, over here, it gives you all of the offers. It looks like we're gonna have to look somewhere else for the top offers. Now, what's great about this is you can see here's a joint cream offer, and it's offered in 14 different languages, okay? 14 different languages. You see, you can promote this offer in the native language of Italian, English, German, Russian, Latvian, Lithuanian, Polish, Slovenian, Portuguese, Croatian, Czech, Hungarian, Spanish, or Romanian. There's no reason why you should have any issues, finding traffic for this offer. What's great about this is that a lot of these countries are very uncompetitive. Everybody and their mother wants to promote products in America. Everybody and their mother wants to promote affiliate offers in the English language in the United States. But what people don't realize is these other countries are super non-competitive, and if you can find offers in them, likely you'll be a bigger fish in a much smaller pool. It's going to be much easier. These audiences have not been exposed as much to marketing offers, especially good quality marketing offers. You'll see the payouts over here. They're listed in rubles on the right, which is the currency in Russia, or they're listed in dollars on the left. Now, again, I don't totally know what boost means. I think it has something to do with their contest that's going on. But you'll see right here, you'll get about $20, etc. Imagine how many affiliate marketers are competing in America versus Lithuania. And all you really care about is getting your first sale. Yes, there are more people in America, but ultimately this is about profits, and this is about getting your first sale. These are huge markets. Joint cream is great because a lot of people have joint issues, especially older folk. So you have offers in all different categories: weight loss, penis enlargement, which is also called male enhancement, okay? So male enhancement is its own niche of affiliate offers, and while many men might not admit it, many men don't believe they are big enough, and that affects, anxiety, that affects, relationships with your wife or husband or whatever. So this is a big issue for a lot of men that they don't talk about, and similarly speaking, this is a very popular, very high-selling niche, male enhancement, especially on porn sorts of sites and torrent sorts of sites. So really broad offers here. Again, more joint pain and, Italian and English. We have male potency, which is a virility category. So you have a ton of Nutra offers, which have great payouts in crazy countries. I mean, look at this: Georgia, Kazakhstan, Moldova. You can really be one of the only marketers in some of these countries. I mean, think about what the ad prices are in Moldova, okay? Marketers complain about how expensive Facebook ads are, not in Moldova, not in Kazakhstan, not in Georgia. And there are still people that are very rich in these countries, which is what folks don't understand. So again, you can get away with paying a penny or less for 1,000 ad impressions in some of these countries. It's practically free because nobody's advertising in these countries. So you have a lot of different offers. You have a lot of different flexibility is what I like about this network. And Armenia, So this is for folks who speak another language, who can advertise offers in some of these languages. It's a great option. This is one of the biggest things that I've suggested over time is, go to places that are less competitive too. Promote a weight loss product in a less competitive country. These are huge, huge, huge problems, right? Varicose veins, all these different sorts of things. In order to see the top offers, we're gonna go over to this tab which says combos. Now what combo means is that you are pairing offer A, you are telling people to buy 2 products at the same time. And the rationale is you tell people, you say, well, if you buy product A and you buy product B, it will equal, weight loss, right? And this sort of plays to just psychology, because many folks don't believe, one product can do a simple trick, right? Many folks say, even about my training product, Super Affiliate System, many folks say it's not as simple. It takes, John doesn't tell you what you really, John doesn't tell you the right stuff. You have to figure it out on your own. You have to take this and this and this, and then you piece it all together. People like that because people like the idea of solutions being like a puzzle, right? You do this, then you do this, then you do this, then you piece them all together. It's exciting for folks. Folks like finding a treasure map that tells them, okay, here's the destination, but you don't just go straight through, because you have to, no, that doesn't work because there's a big mountain and you have to go this way, and then you have to go this way, and then you have to go this way. So there's all these steps, but at the end of the day, you will get, if you follow all 5 steps, you will get to money, okay? So keep that in mind. Many human brains are trained. If people think that something's complex, you have to give them a solution that seems complex, because otherwise people will reject it. So let's look at these combos right here. So the combos, we see, okay, these are their top offers. Okay, top offers. And this is a really cool offer, Alco Prost. Okay, so Alco Prost, and you see this is paired with some sort of glass first screen, whatever it is. But basically, Alco Prost is a product that helps people get rid of alcoholism. And alcoholism, or whatever, addiction to alcohol, is very rampant in Russia. So it's not surprising that, given that this affiliate network is very highly based in Russia, that this product sells very well there. Now, this is a advertorial. So this is a pre-sale page which this affiliate network gives you access to promote this product. And if you see, as we scroll down, and you can use this as your landing page. I mean, that's great that they already give you a landing page that works. And here we go to a selection. I'm assuming this is, are you over 18? And here is the product, Alco Prost. And we can buy it right here. And it's a very well done sales page. I can just tell because they have a headline, sub-headline, just the format is great. They have bullet points. They have a call to action. They have a risk reversal, right? They're providing a discount right here. Big button. Even without reading this, I can tell it's a well done sales page. They have social proof. Folks who buy nutritional supplements, they want the social proof or the security of knowing that there's some sort of doctor-ish looking figure that endorses it. They're going over the benefits of the ingredients, right? So this is ingredient 1, this is ingredient 2, this is ingredient 4. They're giving the justification of why this product is helpful. They're giving the justification why the product's helpful. And then I'm assuming these are the benefits, okay? They're basically saying, look, you work harder, your muscles work better, you have better sex, you have less joint pain, your blood's better blood pressure. So, and then they have testimonials. So you can tell this is a very well done sales page. This is a good product. I'm totally convinced when they say this is the top offer, they aren't just pushing that on us, because sometimes networks will say an offer is the top offer just because they want you to promote it. Maybe the company paid them a little extra money, to say, hey, make us the top offer so we get more affiliates. But in this case, I do believe that this is top offer. And we can see more offers here. Now, the only thing that leads me to believe that this may not be the top offer is because it is sorted in alphabetical order. Notice that A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are all probably top offers. So who the heck knows what's doing best. But that gives you a good idea. Again, it really depends on what do you want to promote, what resonates the most with you, and really it matters that you take action and try stuff out. Again, you're gonna get nowhere if you just watch videos. I really wanna stress this. And also, if you've watched more than 20 videos of mine, I encourage you to take action, or really sit and take a look at yourself for an hour and think about what you're doing in life. Are you tricking yourself into wanting to watch my videos without actually joining these affiliate networks and using my free traffic methods? Is it just entertaining, or do you really want to be an affiliate marketer? And if you really want to be an affiliate marketer, today's the time to take action. Now, to get started on my free traffic playlists, I would suggest you go over to free traffic methods. So make sure you have to first subscribe to my channel, which will show up. There will be a subscribe button right over here. Make sure you subscribe, and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see my playlist called Free Traffic Methods. And over here is where you can see about 25 different free traffic methods that will show you step by step how to get free traffic from sites such as Instagram, Facebook, Google, etc. So just follow along, do those, and get free traffic. And I also suggest, if you are beyond that point, I would suggest make sure to sign up. Once again, the link is johncrestani.com/networks in order to get access to the list of all of the different affiliate networks. And I suggest you apply for as many of these affiliate networks as you possibly can. You will get accepted to some of them, okay, no matter where you are in the world. And I see it says excluded countries here. Okay, notice most affiliate networks don't exclude any countries whatsoever. Okay, and if you need further help getting accepted into an affiliate network, go down here to the resources tab that I've made available for you at the bottom of the spreadsheet, and go over here to this selection which says how to get accepted as an affiliate, and you want to click that link, and that will bring you to a page which gives you more information on how to get accepted as an affiliate. Also, if you'd like to get free traffic without doing any work whatsoever, I encourage you to download my software, okay, and the associated CSV file right here. This software, you may get a virus warning from it. In fact, you'll probably get a virus warning. Just turn your antivirus off to download it, because we haven't had it certified yet, and run it. What it will do is it'll go on the internet, grab videos, download them, re-upload them to a various number of sites, and it will put your affiliate link in the description of those videos, resulting in free traffic for you. And everything is unique, so 100,000 people can use this software without there ever being a duplicate. So make sure you get on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if you have ideas for future videos or future affiliate networks that you would like me to do videos on. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.